Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy coins on Phantom Wallet. Now, as you can see that currently I'm in my Phantom Wallet and currently my available balance is 0. Now, whichever coin you want to purchase on Phantom Wallet, in order to purchase that, you should have either Solana, Ethereum, Polygon or Bitcoin in your account. Since Phantom Wallet is a Solana wallet, so you should have some Solana in your account so that you could purchase any of the coins of your choice over here. Now, in order to purchase the coin, what you can do is you can simply use the swap feature of Phantom Wallet. So here, once you have some Solana in your account, you just have to tap on the swap tokens option, and over here it will show you the list of all of the trending tokens that are based on Solana blockchain. Now over here, if you want to change the chain, you can do so by tapping on this drop down menu over here, but I would recommend you to select it as Sol, and you can easily buy coins that are based on the Solana blockchain. Now over here in the USDC section, you need to just tap on this section, and here you just have to select any of the coins of your choice in this list. So let's say you want to buy the chill guy coin, so you just have to simply select it, and here in the you buy section you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to spend in order to purchase the coin of your choice. Afterwards it will show you the current pricing and the equivalent amount of token that you will get. Over here, instead of the insufficient funds option, you will be able to see the swap option. So you need to tap on that swap option, and then your tokens will be swapped, meaning that your Solana will be converted into the coin that you have selected, and you will be able to view that coin on the home page of yours. So this is how you can basically buy coins on Phantom Wallet. Now, the second method of buying on Phantom Wallet is with the help of the DEXs. Like, if you tap on the browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, over here you will be able to see some trending platforms like Pump Fun, Uniswap, Jupiter, Radium, etc. So you can just go to these websites and you can link your Phantom Wallet, and you can also use your Solana in order to purchase the coins of your choice. So these were some of the methods with the help of which you can easily buy coins on Phantom Wallet. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. In case you still have any questions, don't forget to let me know in the comments, and I'm here to help you out. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.